Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Release the need to be right. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend the opposition. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 8. NASDAQ is flat. S&Ps are down 5.5. Gold contract up $3.80, trading at $1,234 an ounce. Silver up 2 cents, $17.43 an ounce. Platinum up $5.50 at $9.70 an ounce. Copper down 2.5 pennies at $2.65 a pound. Light sweet crude down 36 cents, $48.95 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 9 ticks, 124.01. 30-year bond up 25 ticks, 149.07. Both notes and bonds, folks, continue to want higher price, lower yield. They're in the higher range right now. They're going to be going for those higher swing points. King dollar up 25 ticks, trading at 100.140. King dollar, folks, is having a hard time holding higher price. It looks like it's building cause. Number one, to get down to its February 2nd swing low, which is 99.145. Bigger aspect in it, it looks like it's actually building cause to go take out that level and get down to the 96 level. Euro. The euro is trading at 107 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 112.53 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You got a sideways move, light volume. What are you doing? You're building cause to come down to this 235.74. And right now, you're 236.74. The reason I'm saying we're building cause for it is this. Friday, you come down with volume. Today, we had light volume. It's a sideways move. You're into the high of the low bar right now, folks. That's the essence of it. The high is 237.24. So I expect we're going to go after it, and more like we're going to go after it tomorrow morning. Dow Industrials, same type of setup inside the Dow. Dow sideways move down $8. Dow wants to go after 20,777. So that's about $1.35 down from where we are. The NASDAQ Composite tested its highs today, failed on price, failed on volume. There you go. We got to a price point, got to a new high, 59.15.12. It took out the high of the first, 59.11. Your volume characteristic goes like this. We did 1.7 billion versus 2.2 billion. So you can see a 500 million less. Nice setup, nice failure. NDX 100, we take a look at the NDX 100. NDX 100 up 18 cents. You're at 131.87. And the NDX didn't fail. Now, this is where this is going to get wild because the NDX, it didn't make its high, number one, but it is over the high of March 1st. That was, before the close, it is underneath it. But guess what? You're at that high. So that's saying the NDX, once again, can go for this high. Small caps. What do we do with the small cap arena? Small caps out here closed sideways down 60 cents. Small caps still look like they want to at least run for the 138.86. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? I think we're going to get some action in that gold market tonight, folks. So this is what you have. You're up 380. It's not a lot, that's for sure. You've done 123,000 contracts. We're at 1234. This baby's making, must make a run to 1264, and it very well could be an ABC structure up. When you take a look at the continuous contract in gold, and you put this on the weekly, what you have a potential ABC structure up to the 1334 level. And right now, we're 1234. The first leg on this, the A to B leg, started at 1123, which was the lows of December, to the highs of March, 1264. Then you pull back. You had lighter volume in the pullback. Was only I think it was, might have been a 50% retracement on the pullback. Let me just look at this for a second. Yeah, it was a 50% retracement on the pullback, and then you took off again. So as we get up to that swing point, that's going to be a big one, because if you get the volume in the swing point, you're going to get real action. Notes. The notes and the bonds continue to say that money wants to make sure they get it back. And in this particular case, notes go higher. They need more volume. We've done the 730,000 contracts in the note market. That's short volume. Bottom line, though, guess what? It closed over its highs, and you're running for the 125.04 level. That's on your 10-year. 30-year, same type of setup. 30-year was up 25 ticks. That baby's running for the 152.11. King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? King Dollar, folks, building cars for lower price. King Dollar out here trading at a price point of 100.140. The top of the lows is 99.745. We got to 99.835 today, and it looks to me that we are going to be building cars tonight to actually come down and get into that level. The reason I'm saying that is that if you go over to the yen, you know, the Nikkei was closed last night for spring equinox. I believe it's going to be open tonight. The yen has, since they closed, the yen closed when they closed at 113.18. The yen right now is at 112.54. The yen is going after its swing low of 111.60. And if you break that 111.60, you know, it's been down there a few times since the beginning of this consolidation, which was January 17th. And there's not much, well, there's plenty underneath it, but because the yen went up so dramatically from November 4th, as did our markets, you break this 111.60, you're going to be right down into the 103 to 102 area. And that will put some heavy selling inside the Nikkei. It'll put some heavy buying inside the gold market. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Dow down 8, NASDAQ flat, S&P's off 5. We're going to be right back.